Hi guys, Dr. Jeff Eddy here. Here to give you a 1-minute health tip. And again, we're going to talk about the knee and how you can actually stabilize it then too, because sometimes it can be very weak. So here's an exercise that you can do to help stabilize it down the road. So what we're going to do is we're going to stand right here. Going to pivot just a little bit, bend it right here. Take your other leg and place it back. It's usually best if you have like a table or a wall right next to you that you can actually place your hand on it for a little bit more stability. What you're going to do though is bring it up like this and bring it up like so. So this right here is the starting position here, okay? So you bring it down just like so, and then you bring it up and hold just for a few seconds and bring it down. Now, if you're a little bit more advanced, again, make sure you have a wall there. You don't have to place it on the ground. You can leave it up like so. So essentially what you can do is just leave it up like this and then come up. Again, you're using a bit more of those stabilizers there. So bring it down and then bring it up, okay? Now, again, without it, so you're going to start right here. You can bring it up and then come forward. Bring it down. So you can see I'm using here to stabilize and then bring it up. Okay? Okay guys, if you like what you saw, please like and subscribe to the channel for more health tips, not only on the knee, but other parts of the body. And if there's anything else you want us to cover, please leave a comment down below for us to look at then. Okay? We'll see you next time.